Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 99. We are on Unit 9, so this is ready to write. Activity 4, write your opinion essay. Write a topic sentence for each paragraph. So you may refer to page 98, Activity 3, to guide you to write this essay. So the title is, Do Children Watch Too Much TV? So it's up to you to write your essay in your own way, as long as your supporting argument is relevant to the topic. So there is no right or wrong, because this is an opinion essay, so you can write your own. So what I'm going to share with you is suggested answers from me. So you may write your introduction as below. So TV is an exciting part of a child's world, offering entertainment, and opportunities to learn. Let's explore why TV can be a positive influence in a kid's life. And then next we write another paragraph. So basically we need to use some phrases here. So expression like firstly, secondly. So this is also a topic sentence for this paragraph. So firstly, TV is a gateway to learning and discovery. Educational, shows, teach about animals. So science, just like Discovery Channel or National Geographic. So we have this History Channel also. So history and important life lessons. They ignite curiosity and imagination. Encouraging kids to explore new interests and ideas. So next we move on to the third paragraph. So we need to write a topic sentence for this paragraph. So we use expression. So secondly, TV brings families together. So if compared to smartphone, so smartphone hard to bring family together because everybody is busy for their own business. So watching shows, so or TV programs, watching shows as a family creates shared experiences. Sparking discussions and strengthening bonds. Strengthen bonds. So it also provides a relaxing escape, ESCAPE, for kids allowing them to unwind, and enjoy captivating stories. So next we write a summary for this opinion essay. So in my opinion, So TV can be a wonderful tool for entertainment, and education. When used wisely, so kids can benefit greatly from the diverse world that TV presents. So we maximize this page here. So I think about maybe more than 100 words. So this is just suggested essay for you. So you may write your own. So activity 5, you can read and check what you wrote in activity 4, and then you tune it. So ask yourself, did I use a clear topic sentence for each paragraph? So yes. And then did I add supporting sentences to my arguments? Yes. So is my argument clear and logical? Yes. Did I use different phrases to give my opinion? Yes. Did I use expression like firstly, in addition, to order my arguments? So you already used firstly, secondly. So you can rewrite your own for activity 6. So that's it for this page. So this is a bit long video. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 99. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related contents here. And then you can click the link below to join my Telegram robot for free.